Good day, everyone. Today I'll be talking on the harmful effects of toothpicks. We can all agree for a fact that having food particles stuck between our teeth and around corners of our mouth can prove to be very discomforting, unpleasant, and sometimes painful. Oftentimes, we resort to making use of objects to relieve ourselves of this discomfort. We make use of objects like toothpicks, broomsticks, matchsticks, just to mention a few, just so that we can get rid of these particles. Yes, well, we often get the immediate relief that we desire or we hope for, but unknown to us, we often create more harm than good for ourselves and for our oral cavity. Now, we all know that the gum is the hold for the tooth. Now, when you look at the gum structure, it has like a continuous chain, and this continuous chain is what creates the fine arrangement of the teeth. Now, when you make use of the toothpick or other objects, that there is a breach in the chain that is formed by the gum. When that breach is formed, spaces begins to appear, and with spaces appearing, food particles begin to lodge in those spaces that appear, and this causes the attraction of the presence of bacteria that feed on these particles, and with time deposit their acidic byproduct on the gum or on the tooth, causing diseases and infections such as gingivitis, periodontitis, or even cavities, which is no good for the mouth. Another downside with the use of this object is bleeding. Bleeding is often associated with the use of these objects, and as we all know, an open injury is a home for bacteria. So having bleeding or injuries between our gums and in our mouth can cause us infection because of the bacteria that are existing in these injuries. So please, it is advisable that you avoid the use of toothpicks. One more disadvantage of the use of toothpicks and other objects is that it causes abrasion of the tooth. Now, what is abrasion? Abrasion is simply the wearing away of tooth surfaces caused by friction or mechanical process. Now, friction can be as a result of vigorous brushing against the tooth. That is something that we'll talk about some other time. It could also be caused by mechanical process, use of your toothpicks and other objects poking around your gum area. Now, you can see how this gum has receded so well that you can now see the roots of the tooth. They are nearly exposed. So with continuous poking of the gum like this, the roots become exposed, and with time it begins to loosen up. With time, if care is not taken, tooth could be lost in the process. Also, abrasion causes sensitivity to cold, hot, spicy things, to cause intense sensitivity. So these are reasons why we shouldn't make use of toothpicks and other objects, just so that we have healthy gums and teeth. To get rid of food particles from between our teeth and around areas of our mouth, it's recommended that you make use of floss, which is something that we'll talk about, the type of floss you could make use of, which is convenient for you. So this is more safer and healthier to make use of. I hope this video was helpful, and I believe you have learned a thing or two today. Please don't forget to follow me for more tips. Thank you for watching, and we get to